Hello, Chris here from Semantic Mastery, and in this short video I will cover the updates from the Semantic Mastery RSS plugin. So as you can see here, we've split up the main area into two tabs. One is the main RSS tab and the other is the Twitter tab. The main RSS tab is pretty much exactly what you already knew from the Semantic Mastery plugin. We added two features. First of all, the full post feature. This translates any short codes into the full code. So for example, if you embedded videos or any other forms or other code segments in your normal post as a short code, this will translate it and make it look as the full feed. Then the next thing that we added, highly requested feature, is the refresh post date. So right now it's turned off because it's 0. However, if you set this to 20, for example, this means that the post that you posted today will be reposted in 20 days, in 40 days, in 60 days, in 80 days, until you stop it pretty much. It will just automatically repost your posts. This also applies to any previous posts, so you gotta be careful here and not set the frequency too low. Because for example, if you set it to 1 or 2 days, you might lose your accounts, or like even the dive TTT doesn't even trigger it because it's considered as spamming. Then the other tab, the Twitter tab, we created a separate tab because you will now have a second custom feed just for Twitter. And same as in the main RSS feed, you can specify here the feed URL. And actually the reason why we added a custom feed just for Twitter is because we added the feature for tags. So you can see here a few options on that, but let me show you how it actually looks. So for example, we have here a title. The original title would just be this, and then we added 3 tags here. You can specify up to 3 tags, and you can do this in edit post, or when you add a post. So this is the normal screen where you usually would change a post. And we have here this area called social RSS feed tags, which allows you to specify every tag with comma separated. If you don't see this one here, you have at the top here screen options, and you can activate social RSS feed tags here. Of course, this is only available if you installed our new RSS plugin. Also, I want you to notice that, for example, we have test post here in the title, and we also have test post as tag. So what we can do now is check here to integrate tags in the title. So this means that any tag that is within the normal title will be added. So for example, with test posts, let's click refresh. As you can see now, test post has been fully integrated into the title and has been removed from here at the back. And then you have the other 2 tags. Of course, they are right now at the back, but you can also move them in front of the title, which we'll do right now. And you can see here now the tags are in front of it. And of course, we also added the refresh post date, so you can independently have the Twitter feed way more often refreshed than the main RSS feed. And what I also wanted to add to the whole refresh post date thing, this will not change any dates or any anything in the regular feed or in the posts. It literally just changes things in the feed. So what it actually does is change the publication date here and update the feed. So IFTTT gets triggered. Right. The exact strategy how to use this Twitter feed will be published in the Twitter SEO course. However, just the basics of it, like the very absolute basic is that you use IFTTT SEO, use a Twitter recipe, and just instead of your normal RSS feed, you plug in the Twitter feed, and then it will automatically post your posts with the tags, of course. Alright, that was it for now, and I'll see you soon. Bye.